Hey loves, how are you doing? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please come in, have your seat. Let's make this very beautiful, fluffy mini twist with just your natural hair. So guys, this first line of the back I'm going to be making, I'm not going to be saying anything. Just pardon this, let's just get it out of the way. When we get to the second line, I'll start explaining. That is because the back line is so thin and it won't bring out what I want. So we'll just get that out of the way. Then I'll start speaking and explaining to you guys about the hair. So you can cut this hair boxed or your regular cutting. That's the cutting of the olden days. So now you're going to start with weaving. You're going to make this weaving a bit longer than usual. Why? Because you are making loose twist. You don't want the root loosening and the person will not enjoy their hair. So I don't want her hair to lose within a week or two. So I'm going to braid it a little bit longer, then I'll start twisting. My twist will be very, very emphasis on the very, very loose twist. So that no matter how thin the hair of your model or your client is going to look full. Why? Because you're making the twist very loose. This is the secret, guys. No matter how thin you think your hair is, just make it very loose. And another secret is that you are not going to be cutting this hair big. You are going to cut it a bit small. Then you loosen your hand so that the natural hair can have space to swell up. Then it will look like the hair is full. Do you understand what I just explained to you? Don't cut the hair really big and don't twist tight, so that the natural hair will have space to swell up and express their puffness. So another one is that mostly I don't finish the tips of this twist, so that when I'm done and I apply my leave-in conditioner and water, the tips are going to be giving the dread kind of vibe. I'm not going to be finishing them really well. So guys, we are done, and you can pack this hair whichever way you want to pack it. I mean, look at how beautiful this packing is, and my model with her beautiful skin. I mean, look at those dangling hairs.